Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. I am your teacher Mushtaq Ahmad at Bera Foundation College, Nusharaf Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, in last lecture we studied about some output device. The device that we discussed was a visual display unit or a monitor, but today we are going to another output device that is a plotter. So dear students, today we are going to study about the plotter. That plotter is one of the output devices that is used to produce high quality of pictures, high quality of graphics. So dear students, we are going to study about the plotter that is on book page number 21. So dear students, plotters are also defined as plotters are used to produce large and detailed images of superior quality. Several printers are also available, but plotter is one of them that is used to print maps and architectural plans. Plotters are very slow, but they can draw continuous lines, often in different colors. So, dear students, this is this level is known as a plotter. As you can see, that this is one of the printing devices, and this is also an output device that is used to print the large maps and architectural plans. So dear students, the total work of architectural plans is always done by using the plotters. Architectural engineers also use these plotters to print their architectural plans. So dear students, plotters are used to print the large quality or the large and detailed images of superior quality. These are the output devices, and these are used to print the result of any object or any plan on the page in very large size. Dear students, even whatever is printed by plotter or whatever is printed throughout the printer, it is totally known as the hard copy. So simply here I am going to define that what is difference between hard copy and what is soft copy. Hard copy means the result that is print on a page that is printed by a plotter or by any printer is known as hard copy. Soft copy is set of instruction, a set of data that is stored inside the computer is known as the soft copy. So dear students, this is one of the output devices. This is one of the types of the printer. This is used to produce large and detailed image of superior quality. This is also one of the printers. So dear students, the discussion that we have performed, that we have delivered the lecture is based on the plotter. Now this chapter ends, and there is a exercise or activity on your book page number 21. Dear students, here is an activity that we have to perform and write down the antonyms of the words that are being asked in this page. So dear students, the activity on this page is that write the antonyms of the following words. Dear students, word number first is display. The antonyms of this word will be height, high. Antonyms will be low, expensive. The antonym of this word will be cheap, different, same, smallest, largest, detailed, short, shortened या वेरी शॉर्ट आप कह सकते हैं. शॉर्ट डिटेल का जो एंटोनिम वर्ड है वो आप उसको शॉर्ट भी कह सकते हैं, शॉर्ट एंड भी कह सकते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, देयर इज अनदर वर्ड दैट इज हार्ड. इसका एंटोनिम होगा सॉफ्ट. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लास्ट वन वर्ड इज स्लो. The antonym word of slow will be fast. So dear students, we have solved this activity that is present on book page number 20, and now we are going to book page number 22. Dear students, here some sentences are written and it is said, it is asked to us underline the correct answers. We will read the answers, we will read the sentences that are into two partitions. Number one is correct and second one is incorrect. So we will have to identify that which portion of the sentence may be correct. So dear students, on number one, dots that make up an image on the screen are called pixels oblique peripherals. It means we can say dots that make up an image on the screen are called pixels or peripherals. Dear students, we have also defined the definition of pixels that dots. Pixel is also one of the dots that makes up an image is known as a pixel. So here the answer will be, we will underline pixels. Dear students, on number 2 there is entering data through a keyboard is called hard copy or manual data entry. It is clearly defined during the lecture of the keyboard that entering data through the keyboard is known as manual data entry. Number 3, a graphics tablet barcode consists of black and white lines with numbers. Dear students, when we discuss barcode, it also we define that barcode is a series of black and white lines with numbers. So here the correct answer is that we have to underline is a barcode. On number 4, optical character recognition or magnetic in character recognition refers to the electronic conversion of images or printed text into machine editable form. Here we will underline optical character recognition. Dear students, I have discussed 4 answers, 4 questions that I have underlined, and number 5, number 6 and 7 and 8 are given you for homework. So you will have to underline the correct answer, correct sentence or the correct word that may be the correct answer or that may be the correct sentence. To complete these sentences, and you will have to underline these words and send me on WhatsApp group. So dear students from class from number 5 to number 8, it is your homework that you will have to solve at your home and send me on our WhatsApp group. This lecture ends. Up to coming lecture. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.